Hello everyone. Today we are going to be rejuvenating our face with the help of tongue. Not that many of you know, but tongue plays a huge role when it comes to face rejuvenation and bringing back the right proportions of your face. Strong tongue muscles ensure strength in the area under your tongue, help fighting double chin, and a beautiful jawline. This complex is gonna be very useful for kids and teenagers as well, because if they have a cold, they start breathing through their mouth, which brings your lower jaw in a wrong position. So you can do these exercises with the whole family. So this will be helpful for everyone. Yes? Today we are going to strengthen the tongue muscle and the area under your tongue and move the lower jaw out to change the proportions of your face. For each exercise, I'm going to show two options. The first one, easy, so you can do it with your kids, and the second one will be harder to focus on rejuvenation. Starting with a universal exercise for everybody, moving your lower jaw out by 1 centimeter, doing it 10 times. To make it harder, place your hands in the area of your collarbones, lift your chin up, and move your lower jaw out by 1 centimeter, repeating it 10 times and feeling how your platysma is stretching out. Now very slowly turn your head side to side, moving the lower jaw out. Do it 5 times on each side, and you should be feeling how the muscles on the side of your neck are stretching. The next exercise you can do with your kids, and it's my favorite. Place the tip of your tongue in front of your front upper teeth and stay in this position for several minutes throughout the day. Your jaws and chewing muscles should be relaxed. Now let's make it harder to give more benefits to your neck. Keep your tongue in the same position and slowly turn your head side to side, doing 10 times on each side. The next exercise strengthens your tongue and the area under your tongue and fits for everyone. With the lower side of your tongue, slide through the upper part of your mouth, repeating it 10 times. And now let's make it harder. Place your hands over your collarbones, pulling your skin and muscles down. Lift your chin up and repeat the previous exercise, feeling how your platysma is stretching out. Repeating it 10 times. An exercise that is going to strengthen your tongue and fits for everyone. Massage your cheek muscle with the tip of your tongue, doing it for 10 seconds on each side. Moving to the other side. To make this exercise harder, bend your neck to the side, giving a slight pressure on your head with your hand and pushing your cheek with the tip of your tongue. Try not to lift your shoulder up, and you should be feeling how the side muscles of your neck are stretching. Repeating 10 times. Repeating it on the other side, putting a bit of pressure on your head and feeling how the muscles are stretching. And the last exercise that can be a great game. For that exercise, you need to pull your tongue out as much as possible and open your eyes as wide as possible. If you feel tension in your forehead, make sure that you keep your eyebrows in place. In this complex, we are tackling a lot of muscles that we don't use so much on a daily basis, and therefore, if you feel pain in the area under your tongue, is totally normal. I would recommend doing these exercises every second day, and as soon as you feel that your muscles are strong enough, you can do it daily. If this video was useful for you, make sure that you give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And click the bell to make sure that you see our newest video. And why are you laughing? You didn't make your eyes big. What do you mean I didn't make my eyes big? Now, yes, now it's visible. So should I do it again? It's filming already. And the last exercise.